Welcome back. This is our 67 Camaro. You probably remember this from last year when we rushed to get it together. It's about that time of year again. At least I'm earlier to the party now. I got a couple months. I need to fix a couple things. Major oil leak, major fuel leak. Let's start with that. So basically, while filling the car with gas, once it started to get about full, it just sprayed all over the ground. I'm hoping it's like a filler neck thing. Hopefully the tank's not bad. Hopefully. Okay, I guess we gotta take this part off too. Well, this looks dry. I think we have to drop the tank. I found the leak, and I don't think we're gonna have to drop the tank. See how cracked and rotted that rubber hose is? Let's get that out of there. You are not helping, you know that? Not one bit. To say that did not come out easy is an understatement. Hope you guys can see how cracked that is. Like there's daylight through the hose. I'm 100% sure that's where the leak was. Man, that's dangerous. Good thing we didn't catch on fire. I bought a new hose, a couple new clamps. We're gonna try to wedge this in there.
Oh, there it goes.
All right, got that all fixed up. Let's try to get this rear spoiler on here. Okay, first thing I think I'm going to do is try to find center. Of course it's so weird. 51/7. Yo, I'm just following this picture I got off the internet. I'll link the description to that. It appears so far to be spot on of where this needs to go. But if you're doing this yourself, I would highly recommend, double measure and everything. How bizarre. All of the marks were perfect to that diagram, except this one. That's where I marked it, and that's where it is. So I'm sure these things are made in China or somewhere, and this one's just molded a little off. Definitely want to double check that. Alright, we're going to start with an 1/8 inch hole. That's gonna be like my stopper. They sell actual ones of that, but I don't have. Okay, now we're going 3/8. We're going back now. Okay, so far not ideal, but I can see a lot of these are crooked. So I'm gonna straighten these out. This is kind of hard. That 3/8 holes wasn't big enough. I don't have enough room to maneuver it in there. Let's see what that does. Ooh, look at that. That is a lot better. I'm just gonna cut little strips of this like camper shell weather stripping to seal the holes when we bolt that wing down. This should work good. Hope if I put it on the right way. We're done. Looks good. I like the wing. Well, great. Look at this. Car was in an accident. I went to pick up the wife from work. Car made a left-hand turn right in front of us. I had nowhere to go. Little fender bender. Other driver got cited for failure to yield. I don't think they have insurance. Let's fix this. I've already got some parts rolling in. I got one of the fenders, the upper valance, still waiting on the other fender and the lower valance. Let's tear this apart. I got the parts painted by my buddy. He painted them in his garage. My grill looks pretty nice. Man, I like those headlights. New bumper looks good. Looking good. I got a guy coming right now to swap the windshield out. That'll be nice. I couldn't even see out of that thing before the wife headbutted it.